Rick Ross receives flying lessons for his remote control aircraft after reaching out to local instructors.
Hey guys, I want y'all to meet Pablo. Pablo, I want you to give him a few details because Pablo gonna spend a little time with me today. We gonna fly some different planes, maybe around with some turbines, but let him know what's going on.
We're out here to help out the big boss, man. I'm from EliteAerosports.com, and we're gonna take care of him today, make sure he flies all his new stuff, and so you guys come check it out.
And I just want y'all to know, make sure y'all log on to EliteAerosports.com. Make sure you go on to your IG page. What's your IG page?
At EliteAerosports.com.
No, he got some jets. He got some fly planes. There's some next level. Stay tuned. So we out here at a private park. Never heard of it. First time here. These the ones I'm finna get ready and crash. But these the ones that's getting put together.
Hey, sir. Sorry about that. I didn't get to call you back. How's it going?
It's my helicopter right here. I've never seen nobody ever fly no shit like this. Look at this helicopter. Yo, this is wild, yo. Yo. Here, come bring it right in front of us. Make this, you on film right now. You live on
for
film.
sure.
You live on film.
What's happening, boss?
Say something to him.
What's going on, man? This is Frank Morales from XL Power.
Let them know where they can hit you at on Instagram.
You can hit me up at F Morales on Instagram or the RC Heli Hangout on Facebook.
Bring it down. Bring it to us. Bring it to us. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
y'all know this is elite status. I've been doing this shit about an hour.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.